Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 10 not closing apps when shutting down. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click System. Right-click New DWORD 32-bit value. Type Allow blocking apps at shutdown. A, B, A and S are capital letters. Change value data to 1. Click OK and close Registry Editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.